The next trick we're going to be doing is called a grind transfer. This is a trick. It's based off grinding. Basically, you're moving from one part of your body to another, transferring the yo-yo as it's grinding from one part to the other. Let me show you what it looks like. It goes from one arm to the other. I think this is a really smooth looking trick. It shows that you have a lot of control over the yo-yo as it's going from one arm to the next. There's other variations you can do from it. Some people will land it in their palm and shoot it across. But any way you do it, you're transferring the grind from one hand to the next. There's lots of variations. I'm going to show you my favorite, which is the one from the arm to the arm. So what you want to do, you start with your non-throw hand out and just practice landing it and grinding on there. Just get it to sit there for a couple seconds, get the feel for it, because eventually what you want to do is grind up to your hand, and this is when you bring your other hand in to intercept it. So try this again. So the yo-yo lands on your non-throw hand, it comes up, and this is when you bring your other hand in. Shoot straight across. I'm going to show you in real time what this looks like again. Again, you're going to need a really strong throw. It's really important that you have a really strong throw when you're doing this. The yo-yo needs to keep up the momentum from one hand to the next. You should already have good grinding skills from the first grinding video we did, where we just went over the basic grind. Practice that. Practice controlling it up your arm. Get that really strong and good. It's really important that you can do that well if you want to be able to transfer it from one arm to the next. Practice that, and you'll be able to transfer your grinds.